What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I got a box from Plant DSG. Let's open it and check what's inside. 2020 Evo Pro riding jacket. That's what in this box. You have to completely watch this video to know why I mentioned 2020 Evo Pro jacket. Evo Pro is a sporty riding jacket from DSGear. First, I will explain the jacket in detail. The first thing you notice on the front side of the jacket is Racing Track's emblem on the chest. Also, the jacket model name Evo Pro printed on it, and it's reflective. Coming into the bottom portion, you can see two mesh portion for ventilation. That's the only mesh portion on the front side. Also, we have two pockets on the sides of mesh portion. Both comes with YKK zippers and also waterproof. You can see some tags on the zipper. This one is a DSGear logo sticker. This one got product name, barcode, manufacturing month and year, and jacket price and manufacturer address. This small booklet is about DSGear product information. Coming into the arms, shoulders got external sliders. It's a plastic material with DSG 3D logo on it. Both the sides got reflective strip stitched on it. Forearm got adjusters. It's a button type and DSG logo is there. The cuff got zippers and velcro to adjust. Both the zippers are YKK and the velcro adjusters also got DSG logos. This entire portion is stretch material, and all others are constructed from a highly durable abrasion resistant 600D poly fabric. Coming into the neck, it's very soft material. It will be very comfort for our neck while going for a long ride. Also, the material looks like sweat absorbing. These are all about the front side of the jacket. When we look at the rear side, the first thing we notice the rear bump. We only see this on racing suits or high-end jackets. This helps in aerodynamics when in tugging position. And the bump also gets jacket model name Evo Pro with track flag symbol printed on it. It's reflective. Both the sides get huge stretch panels for the easy movement of our arms. Below the bump, we got a huge mesh portion, works as exhaust vent. And the bottom portion got DSG logo printed and it's also reflective. Both the bottom side portion got velcro adjusters for the waist and DSG logo on it. You guys will be wondering why I mentioned 2020 Evo Pro jacket. It's because of the new elbow sliders. The elbow sliders are now huge. The previous model got sliders like this, very small one, and the new model got better one. Also got stretch panels here for easy movement. Everything is double stitched. These are the exterior features of the jacket. About the styling, the rear bump, shoulder and elbow sliders, and also the snug fit gives the jacket sporty look and feel. I think the design DSGear got inspired from Alpine Star jackets. When you look at the shoulder slider design and shape, back bump and the elbow sliders, not this one, the previous model, it looks same as Alpine Star jacket. DSGear is one of the official importer and dealer of Alpine Star products in India. Now let's check the interior or inside portion of the jacket. Let's open the main zipper. It got a DSGear badging and it's also YKK zipper. When we open it, the first thing we notice DSGear logo all over here. Man, this jacket got DSG logo everywhere. I think no other manufacturers got this much logo on their product. This one is rain liner. This jacket only comes with rain liner, no thermal liner. I think because of the jacket got less mesh area, no need of a thermal liner. And side we got a pocket. It comes with YKK zipper and it's waterproof. I will just remove the rain liner and show you everything in detail. There is a main zipper connector here and button type one on both the hands. We have to remove all these and just pull it up. This is the rain liner. Just keep it aside. Again, you can see a DSG logo. Here you can see the jacket size. For me, it's M. This is breathable material, you can see, and this is the back protector. You can see some information here, that is, it's waterproof, CE protector, and shell care instruction. That is, it's 100% polyester. Hand wash in warm soapy water. Do not dry clean. Do not iron. Do not tumble dry. Here is a large zipper to connect the riding pant. At the bottom there is another zipper to access the rear bump. The bump is filled with foam type material and secured with velcro. These are all about the inside portion of this jacket. Sorry, I just forgot to show the main component of this jacket, that is the armors. Armors are the main part of any riding gear. All the armors are secured with velcro. I will just remove and show you. Most of the jacket got access of the elbow armor from shoulder side, but this jacket we have to access it from cuff side. These are the armors or protectors comes with the jacket. This is the back protector. We can see it's a CE certified level 1 armor from Winners. These are shoulder and elbow armors. Shoulder armors, we can see a hard plastic material is stitched onto some hard foam type material. Elbow protectors, it's a big one, same as the shoulder protector, hard plastic material stitched to a foam type material. We can see two hard plastic, one for the elbow and other for the forearm. It gives good covering. All the armors are CE certified. I think I have explained everything about this jacket in detail. Now I gonna tell the things I didn't like or the manufacturer can be improved on this jacket. The first thing I didn't like that it got less mesh area on the front side. Only two small mesh pants. In summer you gonna set. They would have added more mesh on the chest area also. Next, they can provide more reflective material. These are the only reflectors. They would have added more reflective strips for better safety at night. In the cuff area, the material is not that smooth. They would have provided the same material as given in the neck section. Then it would be more comfortable. The adjusters for the forearm is button type. If it is velcro, it will be great because we can adjust according to our forearm width. There is no bicep adjusters. The thing I didn't like the most is the rain liner. I am not a big fan of internal rain liners. If you are continuously riding in heavy rain for a long time, you gonna wet. Also, it's a task to wear and remove the rain liner while riding. You have to remove the jacket to attach the rain liner, and when the rain stops, you gonna set inside. Then you have to remove the jacket again to remove the rain liner. Then you will be facing one more issue. That is, you will be set inside and rain liner will be stick to your skin. If you are not wearing a full sleeve inside and you try to pull your hand, you're gonna feel very discomfort because it's got only one support in the cuff area. If they provided one more support, you will feel much comfort. Also, instead of providing button lock here, they would have installed it on the rain liner. This thing is very annoying. The jacket got only one internal pocket. They would have provided one more in the other side. In heavy rain, the external pocket gonna wet, so we can only use the internal one. The riding pant connector is not universal type. It can only connect DSGear riding pants. If they have provided a small zipper, we can connect another brand riding pants also. The jacket is priced 9499. If we compare this jacket with other jacket in this price range, they all got CE level 2 certified armors. Maybe because of the external siders they didn't provide the level 2 armors, but it will be great they have provided. Anyways, if we want, we can upgrade. A small suggestion to DSGear from my side is that if they have provided a space to store hydration bladder, it will be great. Somewhere behind the back protector like this. So I think I have explained everything about this jacket. That is the good and bad things what I felt. If you have any doubt or suggestion, please comment below. Keeping all the things I didn't like aside, this jacket is a good one. It definitely gives a sporty look and feel which none other brand in this price range gives. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button and also share with your friends. If anybody planning to buy this jacket, this video may help them. So I will be coming with a new video. Till then, ride safe, stay safe, keep smiling.